All right, welcome to Dairy Farm Pest Control number 20. Picking up where number 19 left off. Still at my favorite farm. And these guys are coming in, so line up on the closest one and I'm able to take him out. He goes for a little ski trip. Doesn't quite make it to the bottom, but he attracts two other birds. And watch this shot. I mean, I had to watch this twice. I couldn't believe it. A clear hit, right? Doesn't, and I'm like, why isn't he doing anything? He's not doing anything. Well, watch this. I've never seen a pigeon do that before. He didn't, but hardly move. And then he just sat there and, well, that was the end. So, never saw that before. So, now I'm inside the barn. Lining up on my favorite corners. One of the favorite corners. And line up on him and take him out. And it's like, okay, where do I go to next? So many choices. So I think I'm going to take that one, right? Nope. Don't even ask me why I went for this one, but I did. That garage door has got so many, dead pigeons on it. It's just crazy. Take him out. And then I line up on this next one, and you don't pay attention to the shadow. He's actually looking at me. But when you look at that shadow, it looks like he's looking away from you, not where I was actually shooting. So, and then this one lands in a crazy way, and he never comes down. He stays up there. I was back there in January, and he's still up there. I got another one just like that coming up here after this one. That was a nice shot. He just went down. Now watch this. This is crazy. Again, it's like, what? Line up on him. And nothing. That's it. And he was up there as well. You know, at least in February, he still hadn't fallen, so. That one fell on top of that garage door. I spot these starlings out there, so I take one of them out. And now I'm back inside the barn. And these guys are like 45 yards away. So, line up on this one. And this guy, he's up in the corner by the parlor. Not quite sure if I'm going to be able to get him, but yep. The FX comes through again. And he's checking out what happened to his buddy in the parlor. So I take him out. My favorite starling tree again. What can we do here? Yep. One less starling. Okay, so that was the end of all the video I had from that day, and now it's November 7th, and due to the cold weather I wasn't sure how many would be out, so I'm now shooting the FX Dreamline, and I'm using 10.34 grain JSBs, the Exact Heavies, and shooting those at around 750 feet per second as well. And this one just took longer than I expected. I was getting ready to finally take another shot, and he finally stopped. Spotted this guy. He's like 40 yards away. So he looked kind of antsy. Wanted to get it before he left. Then I go back inside the barn where I don't have to worry now. Due to power, I'm not going to be going through the roof. So I take that one out. And this guy's getting ready to leave, and I'm able to get him. Now he fell down, but as you can see, the cows were in the way, so you couldn't exactly see where he fell. Another 40-yard shot. Take him out. And he lands on top of the door. This one's moving around, so finally goes up there and he lands on the door. And I'm like, do I take this one, or the one to the right, or the one on the left? I go back to this guy, and just drop him. And once again, he's up on top of that door. Line up on this guy. He's on top of the door. Oh, that door's got so many pigeons. Line up on this one. He's on top of the door. It's crazy. Line up on this one. He jumps and bobbles and falls off the door. Line up on this guy. He falls in with the cows. And I see this one in the corner. And he just stays there. So, and I see this guy. He does a little jump. He goes in with the cows. That one stays up on top of the door. Some more come. He's just dropped. He doesn't even move. I see this guy in the back. Take him out. He doesn't make it to the door. And this one is right there, but there's another one I saw, so sorry for the camera work, but wanted to hurry up. And then he falls into the feed. So he's over with the straw and hay and all that other stuff. So, and here's the last shot for this video. Nice 50-yard shot. Again with that 10.34. It's amazing what you can do if you just take your time and shoot accurately. And this does a really good job. See that one coming in? And then they all take off. Amazing. Amazing. And he just tumbles. Nice slow-mo. And that's it. So, thanks again for watching. And please like and subscribe.